400 billion stars in the Milky Way. 100 billion planets. Life evolved on Earth in just 500 million years. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. There should be millions of alien civilizations out there. We should see them. City lights on distant planets, megastructures around stars, radio signals, probes, something. Instead, silence. Complete, cosmic silence. This is the Fermi Paradox, and the most terrifying explanation is called the Great Filter. Something kills every civilization before they reach us, before we can find them, and we might be next. Hit subscribe because the answer to "Where are the aliens?" exists, and you might not like it. Now let me explain why the universe is silent. The Fermi Paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question: where is everybody? Here's the math. The Milky Way formed 13 billion years ago. Even expanding slowly, 1% the speed of light, a civilization could colonize every star in the galaxy in 10 million years. The galaxy is 1,300 times older than that. We should see aliens everywhere. Ancient civilizations, Dyson spheres harvesting stars, von Neumann probes self-replicating through space. We see nothing. No signals, no structures, no ruins, no traces. Why? 3 possibilities. 1, we're alone. The only intelligent life in the galaxy, maybe the universe. 2, aliens exist, but we can't detect them. They're hiding, or we're looking wrong. 3, the Great Filter. Something stops civilizations before they spread, before they become visible. A universal barrier that almost no one passes. And here's the terrifying question. Have we already passed it, or is it waiting ahead? Filter number 1, self-destruction. Let's start with the nightmare scenario. The filter is ahead, and it's us. We destroy ourselves. Every single time. Every civilization that reaches our level invents the technology that kills them. Nuclear weapons. 13,000 warheads on Earth right now, enough to end civilization. We've had close calls. Cuban Missile Crisis, 13 days from nuclear war. 1983, Soviet computer error almost triggered launch. We've been one mistake away, multiple times. Maybe every civilization develops nukes, and eventually, someone pushes the button. Climate collapse. Industrial civilization warming its planet. Runaway greenhouse effect. Venus-style atmosphere. Maybe every technological species accidentally sterilizes their own world through waste heat, carbon release, ecosystem destruction. Artificial intelligence. We're creating something smarter than us that might not share our values. Maybe every civilization invents AI, then gets replaced by it or erased by it. Biological weapons. Gene editing, synthetic biology, designer pandemics. Maybe the same technology that cures disease also creates unstoppable plagues. Unknown technology, something we haven't discovered yet, a particle accelerator with catastrophic implications. Maybe warp drives rupture space-time. Maybe every civilization discovers this technology, and it kills them. Here's the horror. If self-destruction is the filter, we're approaching it right now. Every year we survive is lucky, but luck runs out. Filter number 2. The universe isn't safe. Maybe civilizations don't destroy themselves. Maybe the universe destroys them. Gamma ray bursts. When massive stars collapse, they emit focused beams of radiation. These beams sterilize planets from thousands of light years away. No warning, no defense. Maybe advanced civilizations still die from cosmic catastrophes. Supernovae, exploding stars, radiation killing everything in their vicinity. Maybe the universe is more dangerous than we think. Asteroid impacts. We know they cause mass extinctions. Maybe most civilizations don't develop space travel fast enough, and impact kills them before they spread. Cosmic randomness, black hole encounters, rogue stars disrupting solar systems, galactic core radiation bursts. Maybe space is a shooting gallery, and we're just one target among billions. But here's what doesn't make sense. If random catastrophes were the filter, we'd expect to see some civilizations that got lucky, colonized multiple systems, became unkillable through redundancy. We see none, which suggests the filter isn't random, it's systematic, built into the process of becoming advanced. Filter number 3. We're first or last. Maybe there's no filter. Maybe we're just early or late. The we're first hypothesis. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, but the first stars had no heavy elements, no planets. Life requires carbon, oxygen, iron. These only exist because earlier stars exploded. Maybe we're among the first civilizations that could exist. The universe just became habitable. We're the early birds. If true, the galaxy is empty because we're pioneers. We'll fill it. Future belongs to us. But there's a darker possibility, the we're last hypothesis. Maybe civilizations used to exist, billions of years ago. They rose, they fell. They're gone now. We're living in the ruins, a dead galaxy. We just can't see the graves. Or worse, we're living in the window, the brief period after the last civilization died and before we die too. The galaxy goes through cycles. Life arises, reaches our level, gets destroyed by the filter. Then, silence for 1 billion years. Then, it happens again. And we're next. Which filter are we about to hit? So where are we? Evidence we've passed the hard parts. Life appeared quickly on Earth. Maybe life is easy. Intelligence evolved. Maybe intelligence is possible. We exist. Evidence the filter is ahead. The silence, the complete absence of aliens. Decades of SETI, nothing. No signals, no probes, no traces. The longer we find nothing, the more likely the filter is ahead, because if civilizations regularly passed it, we'd see them. Here's what keeps me up at night. Every year we find no aliens is bad news, because it means the filter probably isn't behind us. It's ahead, and we're approaching it. Nuclear weapons, invented. Climate change, accelerating. AI, developing rapidly. Synthetic biology, advancing. We're in the danger zone, the window where civilizations die, and we don't know which technology kills us, or when. Maybe we've got centuries. Maybe we've got decades. Maybe we're already past the no return, and we just don't know it yet. Subscribe, because if we survive the Great Filter, I want to be here to tell you how. And if we don't, at least someone will have documented what came before.